Hi, in this video, we'll show you how to set up a project on Teamtrics. First, creating a project. Go to Project Management and click Create Project. In the pop-up window, type the project name, then set the start and the end dates. Once you're done, click Save. Your new project will now appear in the project list. Next, adding tasks to your project. Click the plus icon under Amount of Tasks. In the pop-up window, click Create Task, then type the task name and click Save. To add more tasks, simply click Create Task again, enter the task name, and save. Add as many tasks as you need. You can edit or delete tasks by clicking the three dots next to each task. Finally, adding employees to your project. Click the plus icon next to Project Member. Type the employee's name in the Add Team Member field. Select the employee from the list, check the box, and click Add. Repeat these steps to add more team members. Don't forget to click Save to apply your changes. Once added, employees will be able to see the project in their time tracker.